welcome back to the shed. So in the last video we got this running, 66 to 69 I think it was. Been sat 25 year. And we got it running. We had to adjust the points, clean them up. And then we put some fuel into the cylinder. She fired up. What I'm going to do today is take the carb off, take the tank off, clean this out, try and clean all the carb out, try and get running on its own without fuel in the cylinder. So let's crack on. Oh, well that's already loose. So get that off the bottom. Oh, I'll go up. Spin that all the way off. Yep. I think that's the float in there. Got that. See intake. Get that. Oh. It's tight. Weird sizes. Come on. There it is. Right, got the carb off. Took this pipe off, it's absolutely solid. I couldn't get the cable out because that was solid, so it's going to need a good clean up. The jets are in there, but they're square shape. I ain't got nothing to get them out with, but I can see through them. But I'll still give them a bit of a clean while they're in there. There's a tap. I'm guessing that's the float. Let's have that. Ooh. That's your air like a pram. Oh yeah, yummy. Ugh. And it absolutely reeks. Let's get this off. Oh. I believe there's a screen in there. I need to get out. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Some crap in there. What else we got? Can we get that clip off? Take the float out. What's he in there? Push that in there and twist it. Got. The pin comes out the bottom, I think. Let's see if we can get that off. Not with that. Oh, that. can make that out, but it's absolutely caked in crap. Look at this. I've closed my eyes. Right, I'll stick you on a bit of time lapse. Get all this cleaned up. Look at this. Nice. Right, let's get the carb on. Just don't forget that little fab horse yet. Oh. Oh, this goes in the bottom of that. Right, I've got the carb on with problems. There's a fuel feed, goes into here, float, and then it feeds up there. That bolt just will not tighten, it's rounded off inside. Put a bit of sealer on it. Yeah. It's dripping, but something to give it a go. So, move you out a bit. There's the throttle there. Hopefully, we'll be good to go. Well, she runs and leaks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the pull start on. See if it'll start with that, like it's supposed to. Oh, we'll give it a go. Right, let's try it. The tank is a mess, so I won't be doing that like today. But I'll have a look online, see if I can get a new carb body, or carb itself actually, and then we'll maybe restore this But yeah, right, I think that's going to be it for this. I don't know how it's going to be to get parts. Oof. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have a look online, see what we can see, and then if we can get the bits and bobs for it, we'll maybe restore it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.